Hey, how you doing? Chris Clark here. Welcome, congratulations. And before you go to your offer, you can get there just by clicking the link right below this video. I got to share something with you. I just sent you an email to the email that you put on the other page. It's very, very important that you receive that email. And so I'm just going to show you, this is for Gmail users, I'm just going to show you right here how to make sure you receive that email, because there's some special instructions in the email that I just sent you. So Google sent a lot of times sends the first email that you get from somebody to the spam folder. So I want you to go to your Gmail, click on the spam folder, and this is the email you're looking for. There it is. It's in the spam folder. So what you want to do is you want to open it up and you want to report it not as spam. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, so then what you do is go back to your inbox and there it should be. Sometimes it might put it in your promotions, and if it's in your promotions, all you have to do is just grab it and put it into the primary, and it moves it. Okay, so let's get back in the inbox. Okay, so what you want to do here is when you open it, there's one more thing that you got to do. Click on these three dots over here, and you want to filter messages like this and create filter here. Just make sure this is the email that you see. Create filter here. This is very quick. Always mark as important. Never. No, I'm sorry. You do want to mark it as never send it to spam. There you go. Create a filter, and you're all set. This is the email title you're looking for. Like I said, reply to the email. There's some instructions in that email. It's very, very important that you read that. And click the link right below this video. Take it to your offer. Talk to you soon.